What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Keith here, Beast Gains Fitness. If you're new to the channel, please do press that subscribe button, which really help us out. Alright, so today I will be unboxing a squat rack. I've been wanting to get this for the longest time and I haven't been able to, but recently I was able to and I got it. So here it is. This is a Trojan squat rack. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up and see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, there we go. There it is. There it is. It's a bunch of steel. Oh, look at all that. All that metal. There we go. Got some nuts and bolts over here. Got more metal here. Let's see what else. Yeah, seems like it's just a lot of metal that I gotta put together. There we go. So that's what it is. That's what we got. There we go. Yep, seems like it's just metal everywhere, metal everything. And this, yeah, there it is. So there's the manual. I gotta say, it's quite a booklet. I wonder what's inside. Let's check it out. There we go. Oh my god, look at all that. I gotta piece all that together. All of this. There. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Fitness tips and techniques. Conditioning guidelines. Warm up and cool down. Maintenance, and then the warranty, repairs procedure, and that's it. Yep, that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put all this together, assemble the whole thing, and then see what we get. So yeah, let me get to assembling this, and then I'll see you guys when it's all done. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Drum roll please, and boom, that's it, the finished product. That's it right here. So yeah, it didn't take me too long to assemble. It was just tying some nuts and bolts to the steel and putting it all together, and that was that. And there we go, the squat rack right here. I can't wait to get started, man. I just can't wait. So prior to this, I've been squatting using that counter right there that you see. I've been putting all my weights there, so if you've been watching my videos, you know how I be squatting. So yeah, so I decided to get it to just make my life a little bit easier, and I did. So yeah, I'm really happy about that, really excited to get started on it. So yeah, there we go, that's the squat rack. Yep, so yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Comment your thoughts, like the video, share it with your friend if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all, and peace out. Deuces.